Double door installation tips. The double door gets shipped with the foot bolt already drilled and the head bolt already drilled. To achieve a proper installation, once the door is placed in the rough opening, with the doors closed and locked, place shims behind each hinge on both sides of the door frame and fasten the frame at the shim locations. Do not over-tighten the screws. Open and close the inactive door, operating the lock on the astragal. The bolts should extend and engage into the pre-drilled holes at the foot and at the head of the door. Adjust the shims until the bolts engage properly. Close the active door. The active door should have sufficient clearance to close easily with approximately a 1/8 inch gap between the doors and a 1/8 inch gap between the door and the jamb. Install the corner pads to complete the installation.